beyond human reach. Today, hunger drove her to a cache site where she chewed on buried bits of meat from an old kill. It's all she's got access to, and there are at least 2 reasons she really needs to eat. 2 pups are waiting at the den. Wolf pups are born deaf and blind. At about 1 month old, they're still dependent on mom's milk. A note on the air catches her attention. Her pups are